Hello Sam, my name is Eduardo from Boss Motor, presenting a personal video for you for this beautiful 2013 Acura MDX SH-AWD drive. 88,407 kilometers, and the price is $21,288 plus HST and license. Fully safety certified, never been in accident. With registration has been Nova Scotia, and then moving into Ontario. This SUV is available at this time. It comes with the brand new tires, brand new disc brakes and pads. Also has a sunroof. This unit comes with two memory seat, power windows, power door locks, and also power seat, power lumbar. They have the on and off traction. They have a cruise control, audio system, control, phone, and power sunroof. This vehicle is available at this time. If you require more assistance for this unit, please give me a call. My phone number is 905-660-2901, extension 209. The unit is very clean, 7-passenger, and also the passenger side you have a power seat. We open Monday to Thursday 9 to 7, Friday 9 to 6, and Saturday 10 to 4. So we're waiting for you, so give us a call so we can secure this vehicle, and we'll see you here. On behalf of Boss Motor, thank you for contacting us.